When you hit, oh, head clash right there.
Throwing knockouts. But that's how we get. Slip a jab in there, and it was a nice right
Range, so he can let those hands go like that. God, lethal.
He's punching through the guard.
Through the guard.
Barry Hunter also trains Gervonta Davis. Trains so many different.
You know, very explosive. Look at him, he's trying to split that guard. There it is. Trying to peel the pocket. He's trying to get out, but he's trapped in the corner right here. He better get his way out.
Left hook.
You better stay in. Stay in. Look, when you in. Oh, what a body shot. Liver shot.
He scooted him out of the ring.
Oh my goodness.
Derek Davis.